this is a moment to celebrate. Just recognize how big this is, okay, for iManage and our ecosystem, right? It gives us the lift, okay, for us, to get to even a higher level of greatness, right? And have, for me, the most important thing is having impact. It's having impact on our team. It's having impact on our customers. It's having impact on our communities.
One of the things that really emerged from the diligence and the work that we did, which was a pretty substantial amount of work, dozens of customer calls, extensive online surveys, substantial technical diligence. Two things that emerged were the customer love and the customer advocacy and the trust that had been built. And many customers knew Neil and the management team by name and had a deep appreciation for their investments and partnership. And that came through very, very clearly.
While we've had a very interesting and exciting run, over the last several years, Bain Capital brings a fresh perspective. They bring an outside perspective that allows us to benchmark ourselves against some of the best performing businesses in the market. It also enables us to tap into talent that simply accelerates how quickly we can achieve some of our own goals. So I believe that overall our employee experience and our customer experience will only improve as a result of that perspective and as a result of access to that information and talent.
Legal tech is a really compelling vertical, and the fundamentals are so sound. It's a large addressable market. The ecosystem is stable, well-funded, growing. These are great fundamentals for a vertical market. And similarly, we think the role of technology is particularly front and center at legal tech. And the priority, as always, for law firms is to focus on client matters and to focus on client work, conflict resolution, retaining and managing secure documents, and the role that technology plays in terms of driving productivity. It's demonstrable. It gets lawyers back to what they do best, which is to resolve client matters and client-facing work. And so we think these are very fundamental and compelling building blocks. And we also think the road ahead is very exciting. The opportunity to continue to partner with law firms to move into the cloud, to further deepen and expand the employee experience, to enhance collaboration, to enhance security, and to broaden the engagement with customers is once in a generation. And so I think that it's the combination between the size, the stability of the vertical, the role technology plays, and the opportunities ahead that makes it so compelling.
And if I can add to that, I've been in the legal tech knowledge worker space for 2 decades now, and I think it's exciting to see the quality of capital and the quality of talent that gets infused, to help take what tech can do in this industry, many steps further. So, for me, it's exciting to see that, not just from the iManage lens, but legal tech more broadly.
This is a minority investment, and this has been and will remain a founder-owned and founder-controlled business, and there's signal in that. There's signal in terms of our conviction in this team, our respect for what this company has built, and our enthusiasm for continuing to back Neil and the iManage team in the future.